Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to be in the engine room cleaning our sea strainers. The purpose of the sea strainers is to take seawater and filter it so that it can go to all of the engines, AC, and generators. Since we're not moving right now, all it's being used for is the AC, but they still get very dirty in this marina. So I'll walk you through how we clean these things and we'll get straight to it. We have a very loud engine room, so I'm going to go ahead and be narrating most of the video today. So let's get straight to it. What you see me doing now is taking off the grounding connection for the sea strainer. What it does is supply a small electrical current to the sea strainers, which have two zincs on them. The zinc's job is to deteriorate over time so that it does not harm other parts of the boat, like the props, shafts, or the hull. Next, I am pulling out each one of these bolts. They're not bolted down, but they're threaded through because I have to do this every single week, and it'd be a pain to take them out every single time. So now we're taking off the piece of plexiglass, and we have full access to the sea chest. Before we pull out the sea strainers, we have to make sure to turn off the appropriate valving. As you can see, there are three. One goes to the port one goes to the starboard one, and one goes directly to the AC. Since I am working on the port sea strainer, I'm going to be turning off the port valve so that no water and debris can get into the system as I am working on it. Oh gosh, it smells so bad. So bad. Oh. So bad. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is spray out this strainer and get it all looking clean and everything. I have some barnacle buster. If there's any tough barnacles, I can hit those off. But it's just as simple as spraying it out and do this once a week. So this is just 1 week of growth on this sea strainer, so let's get to it. So all the stuff you see coming out of this strainer would have gone through the whole system into the AC and just start clogging everything. So this is the main purpose of this, is to stop all of this big stuff, because all of these leaves coming out would go straight into the system and ultimately destroy it. So there's a few barnacles down here on these flaps, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray them with some barnacle buster, and it should loosen them up, and I'll be able to take them off with the hose, and if not, I can get a chisel. But in the meantime, I'll just spray out the rest of these leaves, and we'll spray it down with a little bit of barnacle buster. This is pretty cool stuff. Right when it hits anything that is organic, it just starts fizzing up. So once it hits these barnacles, it does a really good job with just completely releasing them. And honestly, the whole inside of this thing is covered in small barnacles, but I really can't do much about it other than spray a little bit like this. Maybe later down the road I can get a power washer to it, but in the meantime this will work just fine. Alrighty, it is all clean. As you can tell, it is
significantly cleaner than when I pulled it out. Sprayed it with some barnacle buster and it took off a good bit, so we're gonna go ahead and slot this back into the sea chest and we'll get on to number 2. All right, just like that, both sea strainers are done. Only took me about an hour, but I'm pretty sure the AC system is going to be thanking me because it's getting a lot cleaner water now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you learned something, make sure to leave a comment for me. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.